Привет. Меня зовут Vladimir. Hello, my name Vladimir. Do you know what the phrase "na kolini suka" means? Basically, in Russian, it means "on your knees, bitch." And it's the last thing my wife heard before she was shot by the police. I've killed many rebels in Chechnya, but I have to say none was as satisfying as taking out that cop that took Irina, my Irina. So, if you find yourself enjoying your vodka and get an unplanned visit from me, know this phrase, "Тебе пиздец," which basically means you're fucked. Enjoy your last drink.